Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with another nail series. This is actually part 12. Let's jump into this. So I have this bomb kit from Beetles, y'all. So I did a French kit from them before, but this one is their summer edition. So this is the Beetles Summer X Press Plus. It has neon French tip colors. This is in the short squoval. Look at these colors. Everything about this screams spring summer. So as you know, or if you don't, this kit comes with everything you need. There's nail glue, there is top coat, there's nail glue remover, there's cuticle oil. You also have antiseptic wipes. You get quite a few of those. You have a cuticle pusher, nail file, UV light, and the USB cord to go with the light. So I'm going to start by pushing my cuticles back. I don't do this every time I do my nails, but I decided to do it this time because it's been a while, and I just pushed those back. I will be doing my dominant hand on camera, and then I did a short video for my non-dominant hand. So for this, we're doing dominant, and these are the colors. I decided to do like a multicolor this time because usually I'll just do a solid color, but these were so pretty and I wanted to see them all together. So I decided to do a multicolor set. So this is a tip that I picked up on TikTok. I apply the nail glue to my nail bed before I start this process, and I let that dry down. You don't need a lot. I'm actually using a little too much. You really need just a little, just to coat the nail bed, and you let that dry. It takes like maybe 30 seconds, if that. So now I'm going to go in with the actual nails. Now I take the glue and I apply it to the inside of the nail, and then I hold that down on my nail bed for about 30 more seconds. And that is how I adhere the nails. I'm sizing them before I actually apply the glue, just to ensure that they fit. And you want to make sure that these fit from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want it to be a gap in between, and you also don't want it to overlap and touch the skin. The perfect fit is sidewall to sidewall. So once I am done applying all of the nails, the next thing that I do is just file off that little tab that you see there. But look how this is coming together. So pretty. So yes, I size everything, glue everything down, and then I just file off that little tab. This is the quickest French set you will ever have to do. And this method ensures that my nails last up to 2 weeks. Sometimes I'll take them off before just because I'm ready to get into a new nail set. And that's where the nail glue remover comes in handy. But this method here, done properly, will ensure up to 2 weeks or more of wear. And I do a lot of hair. I'm using a lot of hair oils. I'm in a lot of water. I wash a lot of dishes. I wash a lot of wigs. So yes, this will definitely last. So here I'm applying the last nail, and I'm going to use that file that comes inside of the kit. And I'm just going to buff away that little tab. It doesn't take much. Just lightly buff that away. And I love the squoval shape because it gives square, but it also gives just a little extra length, and it's very feminine and dainty. So I like that. So once I am done filing that away, I'm going to go in with the top coat. This is the best. And I'm not just saying this video wasn't sponsored. Sponsored over on TikTok, but not sponsored here, okay? This is the best top coat. Get this top coat. Super thick, high gloss finish. It makes any nail look like an acrylic set. And it does not yellow. It will not change the color of your polish underneath. I love this. And yes, you can buy this top coat by itself. So I apply that, a nice layer, ensuring that the entire nail is covered in that gloss. So then I cure that for 60 seconds. 60 seconds gives you a full cure. Now you can use the UV lamp that comes in the kit, but because I wanted to cure all of my nails at the same time, I decided to use my UV lamp. Everything in this video will be linked down in the description box, or it'll pop up here on the screen. Some of these are older products that I have, like the UV lamp is old. So I'm not sure if they have that anymore. I got that on Amazon during COVID. So I will link something similar down below. But yes, 60 seconds and I fully cure that. And then the finished look, everything. But look how pretty that is. So I'm loving all of these colors. I do think that the next time I might do a solid color set, but I do love the multi-color set. So here I pop that in. Cures in 60 seconds. Look how good that looks. You can't tell me I didn't just get my nails done, because I did. Yes. And who is the nail tech? Nail tech is me. So I am going to now go in with the cuticle oil. This has a nice light fragrance, not heavily fragranced. And this just polishes up everything, keeps my cuticles looking moisturized. And yeah, that is really it. I'm loving this. I have tried so many colors from Beetles, and they just keep giving us more and more material for every season. I've tried their fall colors, holiday colors, but to be honest, this is my favorite. The summer set is my absolute favorite. Look at this. This is beautiful. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I will add this video to my nail series playlist. I will definitely bring you some more videos. I do a lot of nail videos in short form, so check out my short videos. And I want to thank anyone who clicked on this video. Thank you for clicking on this, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye.